It's Styleaholic. Today we'll be focusing on simple makeup tricks that can help you look effortlessly beautiful. Today we'll be focusing on simple makeup tricks that can help you look effortlessly beautiful. Instead of that cookie cutter makeup trend that we see so much of, I want you to enhance your beauty. First, let's start with your skin. A good skincare routine is key for a flawless complexion. Cleanse, tone, and moisturize every night and every morning to keep your skin healthy, glowing, and radiant for underneath that flawless beat. Let's move on to makeup. Less is more when it comes to enhancing your natural beauty. The trend in makeup is very cookie cutter and it's very heavy, practically theatrical if you ask me. I started by applying concealer to hide any blemishes under eye circles, and then I moved on to a lightweight foundation or even a tinted moisturizer for those that don't like a lot of product. I know most YouTube tutorials use a reverse technique. My response to that is I've been wearing makeup since I was 13 years old, and that's 42 years now. You do the math. And I look this good doing it. Period. Contouring the brow, the jawline, the nose, the bottom lip, and the second chin for me. It defines these areas, bringing depth and dimension to your face. Contouring is key with a natural beat. And the key to contouring is blending. Blend some more, and then blend some more. We're enhancing. It's supposed to look natural, okay? So when you thought you were done, blend some more. Now you're done. Highlights brighten up your face. If you don't like a lot of product, get a light powder to go under your eyes and the nose area and a little on the forehead. I also added to the lower jawline, but again, I'm enhancing my beauty. But a nice highlight opens the face up. It brightens the face. And remember, we're enhancing our beauty, baby. After highlighting, I add translucent powder to the under eye area, enhancing that beauty, making it look like I glow. For your eyes, define your brows with a brow pencil for a more polished look. For the perfect size brow, this is where your brow should start, and this is where it should end. We are enhancing, so we're keeping it simple with a neutral eyeshadow palette to complement our complexion. Cover the base of the lid and then add dimension and depth on the lid and in the corners. Finishing up the eyes with liner and a coat of mascara, or to make your eyes pop, add a pair of lashes or some lash extensions. That's my go-to. And last but not least, can't forget about the luscious. Line your lips and apply your lip color. Any extra or added shimmer you might like. If you want your lip gloss popping, add it, baby. You want to enhance your beauty. With these simple makeup tricks, you can enhance your natural beauty and feel confident in your own skin. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel.